In this video, I'm going to teach you how to add Ticketmaster events to a calendar. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along because a lot of people get confused when they first start using the Ticketmaster app. Many users think the app automatically syncs with the calendar, but it actually doesn't, so knowing this process will save you time. When you download the Ticketmaster mobile app on your phone, you'll be able to sign in using your credentials and access all the upcoming events that you have tickets for. This includes concerts, sports games, shows, or any other event you purchased. Having everything in one place makes it much easier to stay organized, especially if you go to multiple events throughout the year. As you can see on this page, you can tap on any event that you have attributed to your account to access its details. And in there, if you scroll down, you will be able to find the Add to Google Pay or Add to Apple Wallet buttons, depending on if you're on Android or iOS. These options are mainly for storing your digital ticket, so you can access it quickly at the entrance without needing internet or the app open. However, besides this option to add them to the Google Wallet or the Apple Wallet, there is no option to add them to a calendar. So as of today, while you can add the tickets to a calendar, this is a process that sadly you must do manually. Inside of the Ticketmaster app, there is no way to import the event to a calendar, which can be surprising since most people expect an automatic calendar sync. So all you have to do is open up the calendar app that you use of choice, regardless of if you are on Android or iOS, and in there you'll be able to select Add to create an event with the same identical name and start and end time as necessary. I recommend adding the location as well because most events have large venues and it helps with navigation on the day of the event. You can also add a small note like ticket saved in Google Wallet just to stay even more organized. Like I said, it is inconvenient that Ticketmaster does not give us the option to import the event into a calendar. However, all you have to do is create a new event with the same name and the proper times. You can set custom notifications, and it will notify you when it's time to access the event. This is especially useful if you need reminders hours before the event for travel or preparation. I hope I was able to help you on how to add Ticketmaster events to a calendar. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.